Hi everyone, welcome back to Python complete course. In previous video we have discussed about control statements and conditional statements, looping statements and jump statements. Today we are going to in depth on each category of statements. Let's start with control statement in conditional statement. In conditional statement we have like a if condition, if else condition, else if condition, like a different three categories of conditions we have. So in Python, conditional statements are used to execute a block of code only if your certain condition is met. The most common conditional statements in Python, one is if, else if and else. Today we are going to discuss about these three statements and examples. Let's start with if condition. So if statement, the if statement is used to check a condition and execute block of code only if the condition is true. Write an example. X is equals to 5. If x is greater than 5, greater than 10, I am giving, x is greater than 10, print x is greater than 10. Let's give like x equals to 15 for true statement. X equals to 15. If x greater than 10, print x is greater than 10. So, see, x is greater than 10, it is printing. Let's give x is equals to 5. This is like a false condition. 5 is not greater than 10, right? So, what it will give? It is not giving anything. So, if the condition is true, it is printing the value of x is greater than 10. Otherwise, it is not printing anything. So, this is the if condition. The if condition is used to check a condition and execute a block of code only if the condition is true. Okay. And what is the next? Next, if else condition. If else. If else condition. In if else condition, the if else statement is used to execute a one block of code if the condition is true and another block of code if condition is false. There are like a two blocks. In first block we have a one block, the if block only. Here if the condition is true it is printing, otherwise it is giving empty. Coming to if else statement, if the statement is used to execute one block of the code if condition is true, otherwise another block of code will be execute if condition is false. So let's start, try in one example. I'm giving x equals to 5 and if x greater than 10, print x is greater than, sorry, greater than 10. Else, so to define if, we have to start if and after condition we need to give a quotation. Same here also. What next? Else, else print x is not greater than 10. So x equals to 5, I am giving x greater than 10, print x is greater than 10 or else x is not greater than 10. See, x is not greater than 10, it is printing because 5 is not greater than 10. The first block of code is not satisfied, then it is coming to next block and executing x is not greater than 10. Let's give like a x equals to 15. Now let's see, x is greater than 10 because the condition is satisfied, that's why it is printing the value. So if I am giving x equals to 5, it is giving x is not greater than 10. The condition failed here and then it is executing a next block of code. What is next statement? Next one, if else, else if else if and else. So here the if else statement is used to execute different blocks like a nested if different blocks of code based on multiple conditions. So multiple conditions we can if I have a multiple conditions, 2 to 3 conditions, then I can use like if else condition. Let's try an example. X equals to 5 I am giving. If x is greater than 10, print x is greater than 10, else if. Here we can write a one more condition if you want. So I am giving x greater than 5, print x is greater than 5, else. Finally else condition, here print x is less than or equals equal to 5. The first condition we are checking x greater than 10, then print, or else x greater than 5, print. If these two conditions failed, then finally the else block will be print. Let's try. So it is giving x is less than or equals to 5. Let's give like a 15. So it is giving x is greater than 10. Then you can give of 6. So x is greater than 5. So like this we have to give a different conditions. Let's see here, x is if I'm giving a 15, 15 is greater than 10, that's why it is printing. If I'm giving a 6, 6 is greater than 5, that's why it is printing here. If I'm giving a x and it is both the conditions are failed and coming to the last block and executing. These are like a 3 types of conditional statements in Python. We are going to use these statements in multiple development pages. Thank you. Have a nice day.